In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. If you temporarily deactivate your account, you will not lose any of the data, such as who follows you and who you are following. To go ahead and deactivate your account, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these 3 lines. You will then select the option of Meta Verified right here. On this page, select the option of Personal Details. You will then click on Account Ownership and Controls. Tap right here to proceed. Select your account and you will have to click on Deactivate. You can either permanently delete or temporarily deactivate your Instagram. Tap on Continue and your account will automatically get deactivated. Your profile will be hidden until you reactivate it through your account center or by just logging into your Instagram account. That's how easy it is to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like and share for more tutorials like this one. Check out these other informative tutorials.